Repeat after me. Today, I will not be salty. Today, I will not be salty. But I promise, on Wednesday, I will be salty with what's in here. Do you guys want to see? I bet you do. Yep, a nail art polish kit. I, who have no nails. But today, I will not be salty. I will not be salty. So we can put this gently away. Oh, you're gonna so get it on Wednesday. You're gonna regret coming into my mailbox. This week's shout out goes to Stargazer Rider J. What a long name. If you want a shout out in my Friday videos, don't forget to hashtag Nerdification Squad in the comment section below within the first 45 minutes of a video's release, or hashtag Nerdecrafter on Instagram anytime with any of your creations. You have 2 chances to do that, either on the Friday video or on the Wednesday videos. Good luck, my friends. With that said, today I want to try another Japanese craft kit. As I had mentioned with the other one, that was the Keshigomu, which is the eraser kit. I got that last time when I was in Japan. This is really expensive. It cost me $20 and I have no idea what the heck I bought. Where do I spend my money? So what sold me on getting this kit is that it's called Puni Gel or Puni Gel. The first thing this reminded me of was resin, and I was like, what? Really? Resin for kids? And I looked in the back and check this out. No microwave, no ironing, no UV light, no water, no batteries needed. What kind of gel is this? So I am really curious to know, how are we going to be getting these shapes that really do look like resin? And it also glows in the dark. I don't know about you, but I think I'm still like a kid, so a lot of things make me marvel. Wait, what? Sega? Why do I have goosebumps? Look at that. I have goosebumps for no reason whatsoever other than the fact that this is made by Sega? Why aren't I getting a Sonic the Hedgehog mold? Let's open this, see what's inside, and try and figure out what we're supposed to do. This is all in Japanese. How do you open this? Do I even need cutter? SaltEcrafter! Wow, we're really not getting much in here. Some packets of gel, one in purple, this side is translucent-y, one in blue, and again, transparent-y. What is this? And then we have our plastic mold. So this is pretty cute. We get a horse, cat, heart, star, magical wand. Okay, this combination of star glitter colors are just so cute. So blue, pink, gold. Ooh, oh my god! Cute little beads in pastel-y, pearly colors. Cute little chains and stickers! Stickers! I love stickers! So we get these cute little pastel. Oh my god! Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Look at these ponies! Cats, bunnies. This makes me really happy. And that's about it. Then we have this huge catalog of instructions, which I'm gonna have to translate. So for those of you who buy things overseas and have no idea how to read the instructions, neither do I. Yeah! Luckily, I have Google Translate, not sponsored, and last time I said, Google, if you want to sponsor me, they actually did. So if you want to sponsor me again, I'm open. So what I'm gonna do with Google Translate is I'm going to be taking pictures, like so, and then translating very loosely, it's not that great, the instructions of how to work this out. So as you can see, pierce the drill hole, put it into the cavity, insert it firmly, and then, you know, play it now. That's what we gotta do. Well, I'm an idiot. There are some English instructions right at the back. Okay, so it's fairly straightforward. What I have to do is push on the word push right here, and then the 2 gels are supposed to mix. Once they start mixing, I should also be pushing the glow-in-the-dark powder all over the place, kind of in there. It says to mix it like 50 times, so we gotta squeeze that at least 50 times, and then we just have to pour it into our little mixes. I think I'm going to start preparing what I want, like in terms of stickers. What we need to do is put these little sticks, these little guys, we need to put it where we would put our charm. They have these little indents that we just kind of have to stuff it in there. That way, once it's fully hardened, we could just put the chain inside, kind of like this. Since we have to use all the gel once we open it, it's a one-time kit. That's all we're getting for $20 US. Alright, so let's try this together. Ready? Press push. Oh, what happened? Pressing push. Is anything happening? Oh, look! It's mixing! I think I was supposed to push this in there first. Let's get the glow-in-the-dark powder out of there. A1, following instructions. I think I'm supposed to push it in and out 50 times. Alright, so here it is, kind of like a gel. You could see, yeah, Puni Gel. Yep, pretty precise name. I don't know what the Puni is for though. What do you think Puni stands for? Let me know. Vote. I don't know if I got all the glow-in-the-dark mix, but now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix the glow-in-the-dark first with the blue one, and then I'm gonna mix it over here. We learned our lesson with the first one. Alright, now that our gels are fully mixed, now it's time to have the fun part. Totally have fun part. Alright, so let's see what kind of control we have with the nozzle. I'm just gonna do a fully blue cat. Oh my god, stop pouring. Don't waste. Interestingly enough, this gel smells like cookies? I don't know how they made a chemical not smell like chemicals. Very good. Alright, so they're all done now. Now we just have to wait the 24 hours because I totally didn't think that ahead. It really is exactly like resin. This is your gateway into resinhood. I have to admit, Japanese kids have good thumbs because I really got sore trying to mix that 50 times. Fast forward 24 hours. Good morning, guys. Pooh Face here, and we are the next morning. But a lot of you have been requesting Angel, so let me show him to you. Angel, you know people have been requesting you? You're the star of Nerdecrafter. Look at you, all showing off and stuff. Are you the best? I know you are. You have no lack of confidence whatsoever. Oh, what a nice big bird. Wanna get pet? So put your little head over here. Oh, pretty bird. So they were not kidding when they said 24 hours because I kept poking it with my toothpick and every time I poked it, it was still soft, and now that I'm poking it, it's bouncy, but my guess is that this is supposed to be bouncy, but let's unmold it and find out. Okay, I don't know if I'm supposed to remove this thing first. I think I'm gonna try and unmold it first. Ooh, this thing is like stuck. Oh, there we go. So here it is. It's super flexible. I feel like this could be done with Mod Podge. It's cute though. We'll have to test if it's actually glow in the dark. Oh my gosh, these are so hard to unmold. There we go. Good job. Jackie's pretty aggressive. This is pretty cute, despite the fact that I broke it. We could just pull out the extra bits or cut them with scissors. Oh, this is so cute. This is really adorable. And the glitter really is on the inside. All you have to do is make sure that you do push it all the way through like I did. All right, I'm really looking forward to this wand. Oh my god, that's super cute. I love the pearls, the little gems, and the star. Yeah, this is my favorite by far. So the star is supposed to be a mixture of the pink and blue, but just kind of looks like pink and blue. Here's the star, here's the heart. So technically the only thing left to do is put the chain around them and you have yourself a cute little charm. Not a SaltEcrafter, but I'm gonna give you my insight on this kit as a whole. My fingers are killing me, not just from mixing it up, but also just from unmolding it, and now I have like glitter fingers. Pretty sure I'm gonna find up until next week. Overall, would I recommend this kit? And the answer is no. Obviously, definitely not for anyone over 14, unless you're really, really worried about resin. Because if you can make something like this with resin, you're better off doing that because it's harder, it's permanent, and you can actually see the different layers. Whereas this one, if you don't actually push it all the way in, what ends up happening is it just kind of disappears. Hang on, come with me. Just come. I want. Come. Here are some of my resin pieces. Let me show you the difference. The different layers are all visible. The Nyan Cat is one layer, glitter, the galaxy background, all of these are visible. Even though this is not SaltEcrafter, I will give you some of the reasons why I wouldn't buy this anymore. Firstly, I'm an adult. I can use resin, but if you want to introduce kids to resin and you want something safe, or if you're an adult and you want to work on something that's non-toxic, this could be a good introduction. As you had seen with my resin collection, you don't get any depth with this. It's just kind of whatever you put at the front is what you're gonna see. Also, it's pretty gooey, which means that hair and dust particles will stick to it very quickly. And I'm cramping! My hands really hurt from all that mixing. Seriously, I don't know what kind of thumbs Japanese kids have, but obviously my Egyptian Canadian ones are out of commission. Alright, the last test, we need to find out, are these glow in the dark? Did I mix enough of that in there? So let's take one of them and test it out. Alright, so I'm just giving it a little boost of UV light because it's lightless in here other than the big lights. Lights being turned off. And here we go. Barely. Let's see if we can turn turn the exposure on. It's actually not too bad. I'm looking at it off camera and yeah, it does glow. You can see over there too. It's not that strong, so of course on camera it's a lot more saturated, but it is still there. With all that said, would I ever buy this again? Heck no. I'm gonna stick to resin. It was fun though. I really did find myself thinking of resin a lot, so it's a good gateway. If you want to watch the previous Japanese kit, check it out over here. And if you want to watch a salty review, check down here and make sure you stay tuned for Wednesday's video, which I'll be salty reviewing a nail art kit. I have no idea how to paint my nails. It's gonna be something. Until then, I will see you guys in the next video.